Sure, we'll work with that. Day 2, April 17th of my retardedness. Today's mistake, actually, it's a very simple mistake. It's actually simply not following the trend line. And pretty funny, actually. On this day, specifically on this account, I'm on profit, and this one, I'm in minus 403. Let me go into detail what exactly happened with these trades. So for this, we need to go for the first one specifically, right? It was this one right here. To this one, I'll get to in a second. I just got this one prepared, but for this one specifically, what do we got? Right, so we got market open right here, right? 9:30 a.m. New York time. Um, obviously the market started to reverse, or I obviously now clearly see it was a little bit of a pullback. No fucking break of structure. This ain't it. Technically, maybe it is actually a break of structure. But my idea here was not to take a trade off of a break of structure, but I was like, you know, this is the market open. Here are the London highs. Here are the London lows, right? So I was like, holy shit, we just sweep the London lows. But I don't know if this is considered the London lows. It's the beginning of April. Well, no, it's not considered the London lows because the fucking London open is like, I don't know, it's fucking nowhere near there though. I don't know what time frame this is. I think it's actually the UK time frame specifically. So technically, London Open, they open at 8, right? It'll be right here. Yeah, that's why I marked it up as London highs and right here London lows, or I don't know, or that specifically. Anyways, I'm going deeper into it. Marked out I'm on a fucking fair value gap, right? So my fucking thought process was like, okay, so we have a liquidity sweep, right? Sweep, and that's what it looked like to fucking be happening at that moment. But little that I failed to do is just check the motherfucking trend. Obviously the trend is your friend. Don't go against the trend because you'll get fucked. That's exactly what happened here. But what happened with me, right? So it went above the fair value gap. If I'm not mistaken, it had a very tiny motherfucking close. Yeah, like a very motherfucking tiny ass close right there. Like stupid ass tiny close right above the fair value gap. And I was like, oh shit, that's an indicator of some sort, right? Nah, nah. Here, what happened afterwards is, well, as you can clearly see, I got stopped out. And this is actually the trade that I took on this specific account. So this is where I lost the first $400. And I was like, damn, I gotta learn more shit. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. And then comes around this second account, the one that I almost literally fucking blew. Now I can delete this. I was kind of still using this actually when I was opening this trade on the bottom, but for this, just to get rid of that, yeah, I'll get rid of this fucking too. So what happened here? I had no stop loss set up on this bitch. Because literally, if my balance is 48 and without this 80 was like 200, whatever the fuck. So what literally what literally happened? Where did I open this trade? Did I open it here? One second, let me zoom in a little bit on that bitch. No, I don't think I opened it here, or did I actually? It kind of doesn't make sense that I opened it here. I think I opened it. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. There you go. That was that's how I opened the trade right there. Oh, it's that because the story behind it is this. I opened the trade and this motherfucker just started to rip upwards, right? So obviously I was in the negative because I opened a sell trade. And I put my sell, like my take profit right above this fucking low, which was that's where I got confused if this is considered to be a London low because it was already the beginning of April and I don't know why I didn't fucking think, wait a second, when does London session open? Definitely not a fucking 0-0. Anyways, I took the trade here, immediately shot back up. I think I was like literally $5 away from fucking blowing this account as well. And Lord behold, it fucking came crashing down, moved past these London lows. In my opinion, I don't know. These are not London lows, obviously, because the London lows are somewhere. Anyways, and yeah, market continues to going up. So, what can we take away from this particular trading session that we had? Trend lines. Trend. I'm not following the fucking trend. See, this first trade that I already deleted, the one that I took here and I got stopped out because of the fair value gap. First of all, that was retarded. I don't know why I even drew that fair value gap for. Technically, it used it. It bounced off, bounce. It technically used it if you really do think about it, but not in the way that you would want to. But there's another fair value gap right here. But that was pre-market. Like, do you even mark that out? Like this one right here. Like, do you even mark this out technically then? Right, this one right here. Because again, like this technically was used too. So, and this is on a 1 minute chart. Like, okay, well, again, the main focus, the main idea about this particular trading session is to follow the trend, check the trend, because obviously go on the higher time frames, check exactly what the fuck is going on. But you know what? I don't blame myself because of the trend, because on a lower time frame, yeah, it is a little bit clearer what exactly is happening. I mean, realistically, right? We got, we're just eating it up. But this confused me, right? This really did confuse me because of this situation here. I was like, ooh, these are considered to be primitive highs, right? Or right? So is this, so is this. So we took it out, and that's why realistically I thought like, okay, we're gonna go start moving upwards. And again, these fucking stupid ass tariffs and this fucking market crashing. Or maybe I'm just ass. You know what? Maybe it's a combination of all three. I guess we'll never fucking know. Anyways, took the most saddest W and took the most retarded L. We're not giving up though. We'll keep moving forward. Anyways, we still got two accounts. I was gonna blow this one. I thought I was gonna just like give it back to the market, like fucking breadcrumbs. But nope, this account wants to be alive. It'll be crazy taking this account back and passing this fucking funded account, specifically this one. I'm gonna try to do that. Try. Do we take a trade? Hell no, we don't take a motherfucking trade. Let's remove the drawings. Tomorrow's gonna be a brand new day, and oh my god, pray to God that fucking something clicks in my head finally. Peace.